Hi, welcome to the Evolved Humans Academy, and I want to officially welcome you in our certification program. You're here because you are ready to elevate your career, and I want you to know you've made a powerful decision. Right now, AI is transforming HR faster than any other function in business. Companies in the UAE are actively looking for HR professionals who can work smarter, automate processes, and make data driven decisions. But most HR teams don't know where to start, and that's exactly why this course exists. In this program, you're not just learning concepts, you're learning real practical workflows that you can apply immediately: recruitment, onboarding, performance reviews, HR documentation, employee relations, and more. You'll get ready to use templates, AI prompts, tools, and step by step demonstrations so you can implement everything with confidence. And because we're based in the UAE, everything you learn is aligned with UAE labor law, UAE HR practices, and the expectations of employers here. This gives you a competitive edge that generic global courses simply cannot offer. Whether you're an HR beginner, a manager, or a business owner, you'll find this course simple, actionable, and genuinely career transforming. Take your time, follow each module step by step, and don't worry, you don't need